Hello viewers, welcome to my another video. Today I'll show how to get assistive touch on your iPhone home screen. You can easily add on your iPhone assistive touch from settings. So first go to your settings and click on accessibility, then swipe down and click on touch. Then you see assistive touch, click on it. Here assistive touch enable. If you see green signal, it's enable. When you see its white signal, it's turn off. So we need to enable it. Click on it. Here green signal, so our assistive tasks comes. If you use iOS 13 or above version, you are set in this system. Now you see how to set assistive tasks on your older iOS version. That means iOS 13 down. You go to your settings, then click on general, then click on accessibility, then swipe down and find assistive tasks. Here assistive tasks, these are same assistive tasks. You if you turn off it, it signal white color. Then if you turn on it, it signal green. So when you turn on it, you see the assistive touch on your iPhone home screen. Thank you so much. Please subscribe for more updates.